Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is part 4 of our story event, guys. Shining Star. We kind of trained a lot. I think we have 872 travel tokens. A lot, guys. I hope this is enough already. So with that said, we'll just pass through everything, starting with this. Just walking. And let's just go to Rotom Strix, guys. Sub-area.
Hey. Thanks. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. I'm sorry. Love it. Wow. Amazing. Are you serious?
Oh boy. How did that work, guys? Let's move. I think there's a map after this, guys. Map 7. Oh, I just hope that we have enough items. We have enough travel tokens. Will's Foresight.
Sweetie, you're melting my heart.
Congratulations are in order.
Will's laugh sounds like Lear's laugh. Moving on, guys. 662, is it enough? We started with 800 plus. I hope this is enough. New area. Oh.
I've been saving this for you.
What?
Love it. Hey.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's do it.
Hey. That's amazing. Thanks. You're pretty good.
Okay. Okay. Any items first? Let's just talk to this guy
All right.
first.
Here we go.
Something blazing with passion or something bursting with passion. Alessa sounds like something bursting would be
Okay.
better. What? What? Okay.
Sweet. Sweetie. Hey.
Your Cygnus suit makes you stand out even more on the beach.
Thanks.
Let's talk to her again. And Alessa.
Sweet.
No items so far.
Yo.
Okay.
Hey.
Why don't we stay here a little longer? Is there anything though? Is there anything else? I don't think you can like tap on everything here. Unlike in some areas where you can actually tap and get items, I don't think you can do that here. Nope, let's just leave this place.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey. Thanks.
Moving on, guys. Going to map 7, I'm afraid what it looks like. We have 592
Sweet.
checkpoint. That was stunning SPL Gum. You never fail to dazzle me with your talent. And with that said, I think this is the final... Should be the final map, guys. But who knows? Who knows? How much does this cost? 50. Let's make a long way around. Guys, I didn't count how many you need, so sorry about that. How much does this cost? 20, okay. $88 plus. You know, I'm wondering if we can actually go to the goal immediately after this. But I won't do that. Yes, you can Areas you skip on this map will appear again or on subsequent ones. Okay. But we won't skip anything. So is this an infinite map? Like after you finish all these, you can continue and continue and continue. Let's get this. Ta-da! Sync orb, even though I don't have them yet. All for the fans. New area. Ooh, until now I don't know her name. Trinia.
Thanks.
Trinia.
What? Hey. Excuse me. Thank you so much. Excuse me.
Oh, I like that she is given her time, you know, on the screen. Trinia.
Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye. Do your best out there.
Hey, where's your drink? Or something like that. Yeah, I told you. Ah.
Oh no.
Oh no. Knew it. But you know, when you go back, she'll probably serve you. Quiz off, quiz on. Is this with Blaine? We'll see. Yes, it's with Blaine. Who is the biggest copycat? Flannery?
Hey.
Oh my gosh! No! No!
Are you ready?
What the heck? Imitation is the form of Flannery. Is the best form of Flannery. What the heck, guys? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This is the last sub area, guys. Completed. And I wonder what this is about.
Thanks. Excuse me.
I wonder who that is. Do you guys know? Is that a character in the Pokemon games?
You've got this. Thank you. Okay.
Parley with Marley. Gosh, Alessa, why? Why the puns? Anyway, guys, congratulations! You completed every single area in this story. I wonder if there's a continuation. And if I go to the map, do I get a new map? Map 8?
Sweet.
That was stunning, SPL Gum. You never fail to dazzle me with your talent. Is this an infinite thing? Is this an infinite thing, guys? And if it is, We have so many items we can collect. Travel orb to get these items. Yes, we want this item. Have 25 Rotom Sync orbs. Oh my goodness, I don't think this will end, guys. $50. Tectonic Plus, I don't think I have enough already. Kind of want to get this 100 Ultra Buff blend. Wonder if I have enough to go there. If I get that, I will skip this. I will move on to the next one. And just see if it really, you know, refreshes and everything. We're gonna skip to the next map, guys. Let's try and skip to the next map. Just because. Just because. Map 8 done. This is
Sweet!
a checkpoint. And I think we're on to map 9. Come on, SPL Gum, it's time to strut our stuff and dazzle everyone we meet. And now we have this Co-op Sync Orb. 100 Co-op Sync Orbs, guys. Not sure if I should have skipped that. Maybe there's only 10 maps. I have no idea. Is there something written here about how many maps this place has? Try collecting some areas. There are no limits to map progression. So you can continue to collect lots of items even after you have obtained all the main and sub areas. So there are no limits, guys. You can continue. I guess that's good. I guess so. And I think I'll end this video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. And enjoy playing, guys. Enjoy playing. Because this is kind of long. Crazy long. See you in the next video.